Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
All right, we're ready for some Wednesday Wisdom with the Peterson Law Office. And of course, we have Justin Peterson with us. Hello.
Hello again.
Hey, happy spring.
I know, we're here.
Yes.
We're here. We need the weather to be here too.
Oh,
yes, we do.
It comes and goes.
It does.
Yes.
And spring break is right around the corner for a lot of folks. They're going to be hitting the open road with the wind in their hair. But along with that comes some danger.
Yes, it
So
can.
talk to us about some accidents that can happen on the highways.
Yeah, sure. So what we tell people, we often get calls from Kentucky folks that are out of state. Maybe they have some incident, whether it's at a hotel or on the road, like you said. And it's really important to know that we can handle cases out of state, and we often do handle cases out of state. And so those state laws can apply if there's an injury there. However, for your own insurance contract, your Kentucky insurance contract, Kentucky law is going to apply. And so a lot of times we'll also get calls, like last week I got a call from a Florida attorney where some Kentucky folks were injured down there. He needed help interpreting a Kentucky insurance contract, so we helped him with that. So Kentucky law is still going to apply as to your insurance contract. So your PIP, which is your no-fault benefits, your UIM or UM, uninsured motorist coverage, that's all going to fall under Kentucky law. So we're more than happy to help if the situation arises, which hopefully it doesn't.
Well, and another thing that's concerning is you have those big trucks on the road.
For
and
sure.
I get to the point, we went somewhere last week, I wouldn't even drive beside
Justin,
one.
here she is. She's like next to a big rig. She's like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Getting away from it because
there is
accidents do
concern.
happen,
It
right?
is. It is. It's so sad. I was with a family last week where their dad was hit by a semi truck, here locally, and it's a real bad situation. We want to get out and investigate those as soon as possible because the trucking companies can delete information after a very small period of time. We want to preserve that information. We want to inspect the truck. We want to make determinations as to what happened. The other call we get a lot about, especially if, for those people who go down south and stay at hotels, are negligent security cases. When there's something that's foreseeable or known at a particular resort or hotel and something bad happens, they knew or should have known to prevent those things from happening. We also investigate those as well. We have some really good negligent security experts as well that we use.
That's fantastic. You've got that whole team behind you.
We do.
And I like the 24/7 chat line that you have.
Yes, you can. It's there. It's there. I don't always like that, but it's there.
Well, because accidents don't happen just during working hours.
That's correct. We have to be ready to have a quick response so that we can get a quick response team out, especially if there's a motor vehicle accident. We have accident reconstructionists. We have human factor experts, just a litany of experts that may be required. They're not required for every case, but when they are, they need to be out there as soon as possible because the more time that goes in between, evidence can dissipate, evidence can go missing, witnesses no longer can recollect information. And if it goes into litigation, those experts are going to be subject to cross-examination. One of the cross points the defendants are going to have is, well, you didn't get out there for a month or 2 months or a year until after the accident.
Right.
So we want to prohibit that from happening.
Well, and when you get in a wreck with a commercial business, a trucker, a trucking company, who's responsible?
It just depends. I mean, we investigate cases where ultimately we determine our clients are at fault. And so we want to look into everything that's going on because who can be responsible in a trucking case, though? It could be the trucking company, the truck driver. It could be the logistics company for how they've sent them or the direction they took. It could be the company that loaded the vehicle if that vehicle tips over or something about that load helps cause the accident. So there's actually a multitude of entities that could be responsible in those situations. That's a good question.
Oh, that is a great question. Okay.
That's why I don't drive beside those trucks. I'm telling you right now, staying off the road.
Yes, absolutely.
So along with our swimsuit and our sunscreen and all of the goodies that we're packing for spring break, we need to pack your phone number.
My phone number, you should put that in.
Put it in your
Absolutely.
phone right now.
It's 859-469-6390. Like you don't have it already. Come on. Or you can go to justinpetersonlaw.com. Look at our results. Make sure we're the right fit for you. We got the largest commercial vehicle settlement in Kentucky history, largest medical malpractice settlement in Kentucky history, and we're very blessed to have those things and represent those clients.
And you're also super friendly and easy to work with.
Yes.
That's good. I hope so.
That's why I have you on speed dial.
Yes. The trucking companies don't think that. They
Right.
don't think that at all.
All right. Well, happy spring.
Yes.
Thanks so much for
You
stopping
too.
in.
Yeah.
Be safe.
All right, you too.
All right.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom was sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
It's always a great day when Justin Peterson stops by and bestows some Wednesday wisdom on us. All the information is on the screen.